In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the HOM1HT Homeline single pole handle tie on two separate single pole 15 to 50 amp Homeline breakers. Before installing the kit, always make sure to consult the safety information provided and never work on energized equipment. Also, before working on any branch breakers in the load center, make sure that the main breaker is in the off position. Provided with the kit are the instructions and 20 handle ties. Before installing the breakers in the panel, you'll slide the ends of the handle tie into the handle holes of the breakers and then slide them together. Now install the breakers together into the panel. Now with the handle tie installed, you have common switching between the two single pole breakers. Keep in mind, however, that this does not provide common trip.